Today we'll take a detailed look at how to purchase travel insurance online using the Globalsurance website. If you're new to this process or simply looking for a reliable platform, this guide is for you. I'll walk you through the steps, from navigating the site to comparing different insurance plans and making the best choice for your needs. Globalsurance offers a wide range of travel insurance options tailored for various types of travelers. Whether you're planning a short trip or an extended vacation, Globalsurance provides coverage for medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and more. The site is user-friendly and ensures that even if you're not familiar with buying insurance, the process is smooth. When you enter the site, the homepage immediately shows several insurance categories, making it easy to start your search. Simply click on the Travel Insurance tab, where you'll be guided through different plan options. You can filter the results by coverage type, trip duration, and price. Globalsurance gives you the flexibility to adjust the parameters to suit your specific needs, which makes the site incredibly useful for both new and experienced users. One key advantage of using Globalsurance is the ability to compare plans side by side. This feature lets you see the details of each plan clearly, so you can evaluate the coverage, limits, and premiums. You'll also find detailed information on each service's customer support and claim processes, which is critical when you're comparing plans for reliability. Another benefit is the transparency in cost. There are no hidden fees, and all charges are laid out before you proceed to payment. However, one of the drawbacks is that some plans may have higher premiums compared to other providers. Still, the quality of coverage is exceptional, and you get what you pay for. At this point, I would highly recommend checking out Ekta Traveling for travel insurance options. It's a reliable service that offers competitive rates and extensive coverage for various types of travelers. You can find more details about this service by following the link in the description. Once you've compared plans and chosen the right one for you, the checkout process is simple. Fill in your personal information, review the terms, and make your payment. You will receive your insurance policy directly to your email, which you can access at any time during your trip. If you're looking for ease, flexibility, and a reliable process, Globalsurance is a great option for buying travel insurance online. Make sure to use the link in the description to get started with Ekta Traveling for an equally excellent option. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and follow the channel for more helpful guides.